In front of me is NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download all of your apps you wanna set up as new defaults. I already did that with Firefox browser, so I can exit Play Store and go into Settings. Now scroll to hit apps available here. Tap on default apps under General and click on any of those sections you wanna manage. As I mentioned before, I wanna change my browser, so I have to click here on Browser app, tap on Firefox to apply it, and go back. When I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!